Hi there and welcome to our latest property market update video. So we do try and stay away from politics as much as we possibly can in these videos, but impossible to do so today because we've just woken up to the news that we've got a new party in government after 14 years. Now I don't think that's much of a surprise. I think that result was heavily predicted. But what impact do we predict the new government might have on the property market? Well, let's start by saying that the election had very little impact on the property market in the run-up to the voting day. In fact, I can't remember an election that has had such a limited impact on the property market as this one had. And we did even get a report from Rightmove ahead of the election that said 95% of home movers were not going to let the election affect their moving plans. So not a surprise really to see that June carried on much as we've seen in 2024, strong demand from both buyers and tenants. That's very much how we saw things play out in June. In terms of how we might expect things going forward, well, whatever your political persuasion and whatever the longer term impact on the market the new government might have, I don't think it's unreasonable to expect in the short term an increase in activity. It's certainly what we saw when we last had such a big election victory like this, which was back in 2019 under Boris Johnson. Then we had the Boris Bounce. Will we see the Starmer Surge this time? Well, there are a couple of reasons why I think we might just. Firstly, we've already seen some of the big lenders dropping their mortgage rates this week ahead of an expected cut in interest rates. And whenever borrowing costs get cheaper, we usually see an increase in demand. Secondly, I think with such a clear and decisive victory, what you get is that certainty, and that's never a bad thing for the economy and the property market. And you might also say that when the people get what the people want, that mood and sentiment might be more positive in the short term at least. Longer term, we will of course need to see more on the actual policies around housing and the economy from the new government. They talked quite a bit in the run-up to the election about building more houses, about more social and affordable housing, and also more help for first-time buyers as well. But we'll have to see. In the short term, however, see no reason why we won't see a continuation of the positive trends we've seen throughout 2024. Now, if you're thinking of moving in 2024, if you have any questions, please do contact us. We're here 8 till 8, 7 days a week. We'd love to talk to you about how we can help you move. Thanks for watching.